When you enter this majestic villa, you are welcomed with a large open living space that has a natural flow. There's a spacious dining area and beautiful living room with access to both the master bedroom suite and the guest bedroom. From the living room, you can also access the large terrace, which offers gorgeous views of the beautiful ocean. There's also a separate apartment suite with master ensuite bedroom and fully equipped kitchen, and a further one-bedroom studio apartment in the main house with its own private entrance. This villa would be wonderful to call home. For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.